Hi there, I'm Narissa and I'm going to be showing you how to change hyperlink colors. Usually it's red, blue, depending on the hyperlink you're choosing. Okay, so we are going to get started here, and first thing we need to do is make sure the styles drawer is visible, and to do that you just click on the view and show styles drawer and it'll pop up the side there, and from there you can see hyperlink is already displayed there, and that's just the standard hyperlink and it's red. Okay, so I've already got www.shopping.com already typed in there, and when we open the inspector you want to go over to the hyperlink one, which is second to end. Now highlight your link. It could be just a name, or you could have the full address, and for this example I've got the full address, www.shopping.com. okay, so that's highlighted. Now you'll see there's a blue box, so everything in the box should be highlighted. If you highlight from the outside and there might be a space or a letter or something there, it won't really work or do what you want to do, because this is the original hyperlink you created. Okay, so you want to uncheck the hyperlink and it'll go back to plain text because it's no longer a hyperlink. Now in the styles drawer we're going to create a custom hyperlink. Okay, so what we're going to do is we really have to select this one, so obviously you have no choice. Now it gives you the option to create a character style from the selection. Now what color do you want first of all, because that's really the color it's going to be. The font, the style, so we're just going to keep it on 18. We're going to change the color to maybe a mustard color, might match the artwork here, and we will go down to Arial. Okay, so that's displayed there. Do we want it bold, italic? Where do you want it centered? I'm just going to have mine left, and there's nothing else I want there. So for this example we're going to get started. So click hyperlink, click character style from selection. It's going to give you the option to name it. We're just going to keep with hyperlink 2 for this example, and these are the list of options. You can choose your own, but I'm just going to leave it as it is and carry on. Okay, so now you can see the color and it matches my link. So now this is, I can even give it a hotkey, F1. Now this is where we run into the problem. Once we enable this, it goes straight up to the red, which we don't really want, and the color's now changed back to red. So if I click here, it still hasn't changed. So if I untick this, we might be able to change it back. Now it's gone back to my original. If I click it again, it shoots back up. Okay, so if I click this, I've actually literally clicked it, it's still highlighted. maybe we can preview and see what it looks like. Okay, let's preview it online. Okay, excellent. This is great progress. You can see my link is the color I want, and it's like a mustard color. And you can see the cursor changes to a hand, which means I can now go to that website. So this is great, and it's worked out just fine. Okay, let's do another example. Home. It's already come up in mustard color. Let's just change it to black. We'll change it to black. Okay. Now we need to highlight it, don't we? So for this example, I'm going to. Okay, it's not letting me create one. Okay, so must have to go to this original one. Oh yeah, I forgot. You gotta select the hyperlink to create the hyperlink. So now I can create it. Alright. And yeah. Okay. So it's now a hyperlink, but it's not active. Okay, so it's gonna be mustard, so we don't want that, don't we? We want to change it to black. That'll do. Now, create character style from selection. This is going to be hyperlink 3, it's black. All the options are there and you can see it's black. So we're just going to say OK, and you can see our third one is now active. And we can go ahead and enable this because this is selected. And it's gone blue because it's gone to a figure. So, you know, whatever you change it to here, it's going to be different. Okay, so web page. We'll just stick with the web page, and we'll change this to shopping.com. We can just keep with our original shopping.com website. It's just an example, it's not mine or it's not anything. Yeah, so it's just for this example. I'm just giving an example of it. Now if I keep it highlighted here, will it be my black one? Or if I keep it there. So I'm going to have to untick it and click this one, enable it, and it shoots back up there. And it's changed red here. This one is obviously still red. So we'll go ahead and preview it and see without saving it. I think saving it really helps. Okay, so it's red. And I didn't save it, but that one still remains brown, mustard, whatever color that is. Okay, let's go back. Now we will reselect it, and we will choose hyperlink 3, activate it, keep it there, and it's enabled again. Let's see if that works. And it worked. So there you go, guys. I hope this video really helped you. We can go ahead and try and make this mustard too and see if that works. Okay, so select home. Oh, we have to uncheck that so that we can edit it, right? Select home, hyperlink. Okay, enable it, bring it back down here, which is really annoying, and select preview and see if it works. Let's cross our fingers. It worked, guys. How about that? Okay, so I'm super happy with that. So this seems to be just standard color. Maybe it's for iBooks, so you can quickly spot the hyperlinks. I don't know why it doesn't change to how we have it and stays that color, so that we can just preview it here instead of having to preview it. But yeah, if you liked this video, found it very helpful, give me a like and feel free to comment if there's anything you want to know. I can do a video on that. Thanks, bye.